You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this region in the south of Asia Minor that is mentioned in the Bible. If you want to learn more biblical names, stay tuned. By the way, I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. Pronounced as Pamphylia, right? I know the spelling makes it a little bit confusing. Pam, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know PH is of course pronounced like an F. The Y is pronounced like E, and the I is also pronounced like E, so makes it easy. How to pronounce in the Bible. English pronunciation, Pamphylia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.